As you know, sourcing agent do 3 jobs for you: sourcing, inspection, and shipping. In these types of jobs, the first is sourcing, the second is inspection, and the third one is shipping. And for sourcing, how to find a good sourcing agent? My answer is you must find a sourcing agent who know well the product industry you are buying from. And then you need a lot of communication, and he's very accurate about your product details. I think what's more, he must be very familiar with the whole process, exploring to other countries from China to your country, maybe USA or Europe. And he will guide you to finish this whole process. He will give you advice, and during the whole process, he will, with his help and experience, I think this is a good sourcing agent. And during the process, I think that sourcing the product is the most complex and difficult because there are many online platforms in China, and customers themselves can search for product they like website. In this way, they don't need a sourcing agent. But in what aspect that you will be need a sourcing agent? This is the first situation that you will be. First, you want to develop a new design from design to final product. This require a lot of technology and a lot of questions coming and goes. We suggest you talk directly with the suppliers. This may be more faster and more effective, and they can give you they can get you and tell the suppliers about your idea for this new design. If you directly talk with the suppliers, they may give you a more good idea or good advice and customize the product. The second situation that you may need a sourcing agent is that, assuming that you are grocery owners and of supermarket owners, you may need a lot of different product list in your shop. In this, you need a sourcing agent to source for you in the local EU market. And for instance, you have 10 products at the same time, the website. In this way, you don't need a sourcing agent. In what aspect that you will be need a sourcing agent? This is the first situation that you will be. The first, you want to develop a new product from design to final product. This requires a lot of technology and a lot of questions coming and goes. And we suggest you talk directly with the suppliers. This may be more faster and more effective, and they can get you tell the suppliers about the idea for these new designers. If you directly talk with the suppliers, they may give you a good idea or good advice on the customized products. And the second situation that you may need a sourcing agent is that, assuming that you are grocery store or supermarket owners, you may need a lot of different product list on the shop. In this, you need a sourcing agent to source for you in the local EU market. And for instance, you have 10 products at the same time need to develop, but you have no time to negotiate with the different suppliers. In this situation, our team will check all the details with the suppliers, and we will have a basic quality control for all the products for you. The third situation that you may need a sourcing agent is that you need an OEM or ODM service. That means for the ready products, you want to do a slight changes or like a customized logo or change some parts that you may need to negotiate with the suppliers and ask about MOQ or customized and about the customized price. In this situation, we can help you gathering all these products in our warehouse and the loading containers and send all the details to you. The second one, we are talking about quality inspection. Normally, we will have 2 ways for inspection. The first one is you send the cargoes to our warehouse, and we will open the package and check all the qualities and can counter the quantity. And the second, and send you all the photos for you to make sure. And then we will arrange the shipment. We will come to the factory. And the second one is we will come to the factory and check all the products on inside, and the factories to send you photos and send you a report after you confirm our report. and then we will ask factory ship out. Many shipping agent, we will ask factory ship out. Many shipping agent in China, they will quote you with very low prices, but inspection. The first one is you send the cargo to our warehouse, and we will open the package and check the quantity, and counter. Inspection. The first one is you send the cargo to our warehouse, and we will open the package and check the quality and counter the quantity, and to send you all the photos for you to make sure. And then we will arrange the shipment. The second one is we will come to the factory and check all the product on inside the factory, and to send you all photos and send you a report. And after you confirm our report, then we will ask the factory to ship out. Many shipping agents in China, they will quote you with very low prices, but when they consolidate your cargoes, they may suddenly raise the prices. They tell you this package is too big or the weight is different. Many issues that will raise your prices. So you will feel cheated. But here with us, we will not have these kind of problems. And you don't worry all about this. For international transportations, some as product like smoking accessories, they are forbidden for the shipping agent. They will not tell you, but we will tell you and want to, and we will select a special channel for you to safely transport these cargoes to you. And there are many other problems like during the transportation. We will select a special channel for you to safely transport these cargoes to you. And there are many other problems like during the transporting this process. Many shipping agents, they will not solve these problems, and maybe they will leave you alone and not take care of these issues. But we will help you to solve these problems, and we will get your compensation for this kind of damage and loss, and always tell you what was happening during the transportation, so that we will solve all the problems and the issues during the from us to your site. So the relationship between the customer and the sourcing agent are equal. They must cooperate with each other, so they can make this business successfully.